Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all my students. So today I'm going to teach you how to sing a song, and at the end of the lesson you'll be able to create a lyric of your own based on the same tune. Okay? So do you remember what we learned yesterday about the A sound? Yeah, if you don't remember, just recap on it. We have bag, dad, ham, cat, and cap, okay? And then we have man, okay? With an and sound. So today we're going to sing a song based on the A sound. A sound. Okay? So before we start, I'm gonna turn on the beat. Okay, guys, this is based on the song of If You're Happy and You Know It. So you know the beat of the song, but this is my own beat. So check it out. If you're happy and you know it, say fat cat, fat cat. If you're happy and you know it, say fat cat, fat cat. If you're happy and you know it, then you see the fat cat. If you're happy and you know it, say fat cat, fat cat. If you're happy and you know it, say black back, black back. If you're happy and you know it, say black back, black back. If you're happy and you know it, then you see the black back. If you're happy and you know it, say black back, black back. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you see everything. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, say. If you're happy and you know it, say. If you're happy and you know it, then you see the. If you're happy and you know it, say. Yeah. Okay, that is the beat. So when the last of the lyric, you don't see anything that I say about anything with the A sound, so you have to put it yourself. Okay, at the end. So if you can follow this, if you can say it, and then I want you to record yourself singing this song, and then you send it to our Telegram group. Okay? Awak sambung aja lirik yang tadi tu. If you're happy and you know it, say with an A sound. Okay? Kena ada A sound. Okay? Cari balik A sound dalam PDF slide yang cikgu bagi semalam. Mana yang ada A sound tu, letak aja. And then awak nyanyi ikut lirik yang awak buat tu berdasarkan lirik yang cikgu bagi ni. So, nanti cikgu nak tengok, I will check it out on the Telegram group. Okay? Good luck.